Facebook, what's going on? She got Professor Smell Good coming to you guys live here at my shop, 700 Shane East Lafayette, inside of the Family Fair Marketplace. All right. Okay, so what we're going to be talking about this morning is how long does it take the incense sticks to dry? Okay. How long does it take the incense sticks to dry? There's two different sizes. Okay. You got the jumbos, like this right here. These are the jumbos here. Okay. And you have the 11-inch sticks. Okay, I think these are 19 inches, 19-inch jumbos, and the 11-inch small ones. Okay. Now, with the jumbo incense, I have a really good quality wood stick from China, and this one here, this jumbo one here, it takes me as soon as I make it, it dries in 13 seconds. 13 seconds. That's it. And you may think I'm kidding, but in 13 seconds, the stick is completely dry and it soaks in the wood. Just 13 seconds for the jumbo ones here. I've been looking around. Took me years to find this quality stick right here. All right, it comes from China. Okay, it's very hard to find this kind. Very hard. Okay, but this one here, once I make it, it's dried pretty much instantly. Okay, and the scent does not evaporate; it actually soaks into the wood. Okay, I love the jumbo ones. Actually, the jumbos, they sell more than the small ones. Okay, now the next one you have the 11-inch ones. Okay, now when you first make the stick, the jumbo ones, the small ones, when it's dry, it's going to look like this. Okay, it's going to look like that. Okay, now if you have this, and when it looks like this, that means it's fresh. Okay, it's a fresh dry. Okay, it's the difference between a fresh dry and a type of dry that the incense stick been sitting for a very long time. Let's say 6 to 7 months. When it's going to be dry, it's going to be really, really, really dry. Okay, it's going to be so dry that the brown is actually going to change color. You see, like this here. This is a dark brown here. That's because obviously the fragrance is actually on the stick. Okay, so it's a fresh dry. But after like 6 or 7 months and you don't actually use the stick, it goes back. It pretty much goes back to the original color, which is, I don't have any blank ones right now, which is like a light. It's like a light brown. Okay, so light brown, kind of like wood. It's kind of like a light brown like this. Okay. When you see it start to actually go back to the original color, that means that the actual fragrance is actually fading away. Okay, it's fading away. So what you want to do is, now how long will they actually last? Well, actually, you know what? That's going to be another lesson right there. That's going to be another lesson. Okay, but this one here, that's freshly made. Okay, that's how it looks. Okay, it's a fresh bundle. But it's dry. Okay, it looks just like that. Okay, now this is how it looks when it's damp. It's kind of damp. Okay, and I just made these this morning. You still can, if they damp, you still can sell them. Some people still buy it like that. You see the wetness on it. Those are damp. Okay, you still can burn those. Okay, and people will still buy them. Okay. Now, with that being said, this one here, me personally myself, I like the big ones smell way better than the small ones. I don't know if it's because the actual wood is bigger than the small one, but just like I always tell you guys, I burn the incense right here in my shop, so people when they come in, they smell it. Okay. Now this can be a good stick too. The small ones give a really good kick throw. As long as the big ones, but for some reason, I don't know why, maybe it's because of the quality of the wood. This one right here, it has a really nice kick throw when you burn it, okay? So, that's pretty much it. You got Professor Smell Good at my shop here, 7th Shane East Lafayette, inside of the Family Fair Marketplace. Thank you.